Hello there and welcome. I'm Lee Cooper. I'm the Instructional Technology Specialist at Salem High School in Virginia Beach, Virginia. So what I'm going to show you now is how to add your OneDrive for Business as a place in your Microsoft Office 2013 desktop apps. Now this works in Office 2013 and also works in 2010. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and click here on the File menu, go to Accounts, and down here at the bottom where it says Connected Services, I'm going to connect a service. So what I'm going to do is add storage. Now there are two different types of storage accounts listed here. Office 365 SharePoint is the one that we want. The one that just says OneDrive is the personal version of OneDrive. So a little confusing on the terminology here from Microsoft. We want Office 365 SharePoint. When I do that, it's going to ask for my login credentials. And it's going to add those places to my office. You notice once it got done here, it added two places. It added my OneDrive, Virginia Beach City Public Schools. It also added this sites. The sites we actually aren't going to use. We don't have permissions generally to add that information. So once I've done that, I'm going to go now back here to my document, and I'm going to go to my save. And then when I save it, I have the sites and I have the OneDrive down here. So I'm going to click on the OneDrive and browse, and then it should bring up a list of all of my folders. It might take it just a second because it is web-based. So this has popped up. You can see it's now populated with all the folders that I have in my OneDrive for Business. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to select my folder. I'm going to go to this training folder down here, and I'm going to save my document. And when I save that, it's now going to actually save to my OneDrive for Business. Any changes that I make, so down here it says uploading to SharePoint, and I've saved it to the OneDrive for Business, so it actually gives me a notice that I've done that. You'll also notice up here that the save icon now has a roundabout on it, so it's letting you know that it will save to SharePoint as well. So now I'm going to switch over to my OneDrive. So this is in Internet Explorer in the web browser. And if I go down here and go to my training folder, there's the demo document that I just uploaded about a minute ago, saved to my OneDrive to the cloud. And if I have that set up, the sync set up on other computers, it'll automatically sync to those computers.